travel the world. Once upon a time, in a small village in the Philippines, there lived a curious boy named Miguel. He loved learning new things and dreamed of making friends from all over the world. One day, his teacher introduced him to the English language. With English, she said, you can talk to people from many countries. Miguel was excited. He practiced every day, learning how to say hello, ask questions, and share stories. One summer, Miguel joined an online camp with kids from Japan, Brazil, Kenya, and France. At first, everyone was shy. But when they started speaking in English, something magical happened. They began to laugh, ha ha ha, play games, and tell stories about their homes. Miguel learned about sushi from Yuki, samba from Lucas, lions from Amina, and the Eiffel Tower from Claire. Even though they lived far apart, English helped them understand each other. As the camp ended, Miguel felt proud. He had made new friends and discovered new cultures. He realized that English was more than just a subject in school. It was a bridge that connected hearts. Even if we speak different languages, Miguel said, English helps us share kindness, ideas, and dreams. From that day on, Miguel promised to keep learning and sharing. He believed that one day he would travel the world using English to unite people and spread friendship. And just like Miguel, we too can use English to link the world. One word, one smile, and one story at a time. A story of words that travel the world.